weewaawo ate kasito tulaba muzamugula ng'omanya ate tuzza ate tubenga tutambulamu engeri ensaamu ennyo nnyini ddala. Obudde bwo eggulu libadde lyakava okkaaba era obwetegereza olabira ddala nga bwebo abasinga nga njogera ennaku zino nti bwa babiri naye omunywanyi bwe nnaatwegesa ekimunye naawe ateddeko entanyeenya nsuubira nti obadde watulindidde nga wannamataba era ng'ogamba nti obanaatuukira nja kubeerako nnyo nnyini ddala. Kale bintu bingi nno bye twogerako oba olyawo abandi bye muwuliriza n'ogamba nti weewaawo kasajja kogedde ensonga naye ate naffe tetukomaawo era ne tugamba nti katwongereyo nnyo nnyini ddala. Olunaku olwaleero ndina enkwakwa wamu nange abatategedde enkwakwa amantegeeza ekitonde ekikyala abangi bayinza okiyita ekijujulu naye ate mu lulimi lw'enkoko ekijujulu y'enkoko envubuka nga tennatandika kulinnyira. Weewaawo kale ndi n'omwalo ne agenda kuba atweyanjulira ate tutandike okutambula engeri yakalannamu aketto kw'ekkulu n'omumizi wabula essanyu lye tugenda okukutuusaako ligenda kubeera likira ku moki wa gonja ligenda kirako eryenkejje esimatuse namakaka. Weewaawo erinnya lyo gwani?
Hey, to begin with, you guys, I'm not really fluent in Uganda, so I don't want to embarrass myself. So my name is Mbonabana.
Repeat the names.
The surname is Mbambu.
Mbambusa.
Mbambu, just Mbambu.
Mbambu.
Yeah. My middle name is Sulphine.
Sulphine.
My other name is Mbonabana.
Mbambu, Sulphine,
Mbonabana.
Wow.
Mbonabana.
Which tribe are you?
I'm a Mkonjo.
Mkonjo. How do you greet?
Okay. For instance, if I want to say hi, I'll say Kuti.
Kuti. How do I reply?
You can say Kuti back, or you can say Ngane. You're like, I'm doing great.
Okay. So you ask, okay, how do I greet? Kuti. Then you reply?
Ngane.
Okay, Kuti.
Ngane.
Then how do you ask, like, how are the people at home? Or how have you been?
Okay, if I want to ask how are people doing back home,
yes,
I'll be like, Abekabaneyo.
Oh, okay. Kuti.
Nganeyo.
Abekabaneyo.
Wanaumi.
Oh, it's beautiful. Ladies. It is actually nice. I didn't expect the Bakonzo people to be this nice, but the accent, the words, the way the way you utter them, you feel like they're touching to your bones. Anyway, Sulphine, that's the name I'll go with. You don't know any Kali Oluganda like this, or you can try to speak?
I can, but I'm not that fluent.
You're not fluent, but
Yeah.
I don't like someone who is fluent. I like someone who can talk in Uganda. Can you?
Yeah, I can.
Beautiful. Kali. Weewaawo. Osobola okuwulira ku bantu bayita Abaganda.
Yeah.
Abaganda. Olowooza be baliwo Abaganda?
Ndowooza Abaganda bali Kampala. Yeah. Mainly
Kampala. Lwaki mainly Kampala?
Kubanga Kampala yo Buganda.
Kampala ye Buganda. Buganda ngagende. Kati kankubuli. Wano tuli mukono ku UCU.
Yeah.
By the way, tuli ku Sentendekero lya Uganda Christian University. Sentendekero nno kkulu nnyo nnyini ddala. Kakati UCU eri mu Kyaggwe oba Mukono. Kyaggwe ssaza lya Buganda. Kampala tulinamu amasaza mangi, tulinamu Kyaddondo, Kawempe eri mu Kyaddondo. Tulinamu Busiro, that is Kyengera wawawa. Eyo nayo ssaza lya Buganda Busiro. Tulinamu saza Kyawa. Masaza mangi. So,
Wait, what is Masaza?
Masaza counties.
Okay.
Have you ever had this county, the Masaza Cup?
Not really.
Football. Masaza Cup.
Oh, yeah.
So that's it. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, I'm learning.
You're learning. Beautiful. Kakati, in your tribe, the Bakonzo, don't you have those things like Masaza Cup, the things you prepare and people get engaged?
We actually do.
But?
Okay. We actually do. Just that maybe I'm not maybe so much into it because there is what you call the Renzori Lions.
Oh.
Yeah, like those guys. It's a team, majorly for they say some permanent point like in Renzori. I've heard of Bora Boys. Yeah, Bora Boys.
Bora Boys.
Yeah.
I think I've ever heard of that.
Okay, those are the ones I know. The ones I really know. Of course, the other small things, but the ones I really know, it's Renzori, then
Bora Boys.
Bora Boys.
Oh, wow. Okay. In Uganda, we have many tribes. Like in Chima, you've ever heard of those? We call them Ebika. Chima, Ngeye, Inte. Which tribe would you like to be in if you were a Muganda?
Those things. Okay, I don't really understand them.
Do you have tribes? Like,
the totems.
Do you have totems?
Yes, we do. We do have.
What's your totem?
Hey, okay. Personally, I'm a Musukali.
Musukali. Muganda Musukali. Musukali. Who are the Musukali?
Oh God. This is really terrible because I don't really know so much, but we have there are 12.
Okay, you have Musukali. Lemunyo.
Nedda. There is Abasukali. Abachira. Abahira. Abaswaga.
Abeswaga nabo mwebali. Abeswaga nabo mwebali.
It's just Abaswaga. What else? Okay, they're just 12, but I don't really know all that. Okay. There's actually even a song.
Abasukali.
Yeah, Musukali.
So what is Musukali? If you are to translate it to someone who can understand, Musukali, your totem is what? Is it an animal? Is it a bird?
Actually, mine is a bird.
A bird?
Yeah.
In English, it's called what?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah, it's in my language. It's Echi. I think it's Echi Sanda. I don't know. I know it looks like, but I don't really know its name in English.
You told me you know Sam Luganda, right? Okay. In Uganda, we have a wife to Kabaka, or a wife of Kabaka. We call her Nabagereka. Nabagereka. Then Abalangira, those are the male or the children, the male children. The other boys, we call them Abalangira. Then the girls, we call them Abambija. What about your side there?
Okay.
Do you have a king?
Yes, we do.
It's called
do. Oh my God. His Majesty Weasley Charles. Okay, I should say His Majesty Omusinga Charles Weasley Irimangoma.
Omusinga. First send greetings to Omusinga.
Oh God.
First send greetings to Omusinga. Hey, send greetings to Omusinga. In your language?
In my language. Omusinga Chacha Gakuramukaya. Wasinja Erebio Nayu. Gakuramukaya.
Omushinja Tata. I won't add on those words because I have not crammed any. I've only crammed the Omushinja word. Now, let's continue. We were talking about how we call those people. Nabagereka, a wife to Kabaka. That is in Uganda. Omumbeja, the girls, the children of Kabaka, but girls, right? Then Omunangira, the male children. What about like there in Bakonzo?
Okay, the king is Omusinga.
Omusinga.
The wife to the king, she's Nyabawole.
Nyabawole.
Yes.
King Omushinja.
Omusinga.
Wife Nyabawole. Yes,
Then the children, I don't know what they're called. I don't know the specific title. I don't really know. But basically, if someone asks me, I'll tell them. Abana bomusinga.
Abana bomusinga no murahore.
No Nyabawole.
Nyabahore. Abana bomusinga ne Nyabahore.
Or you can say maybe Echihanda Chomusinga. Echihanda is now that land. So Echihanda Chomusinga.
Hey, what are the things you have nga we don't have them here in Uganda? And you be like, you Uganda people, you say this, but we have this.
To begin with, the lake, the channel, there is the Kazinga channel.
The Kazinga channel.
Yeah.
Oh, it is
there. In Kasese.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, and we all know that Mount Renzor is like so huge. So I should say Margarita Peak is actually in Kasese. So if you want to actually reach Margarita Peak, you have to go through Kasese. We have of course the lakes. Then there is this prominent river Nyamwamba, which actually overfloods and all that. But yeah. Then we have, oh my God, that place is so cute. There's this green vegetation that is so good. You should visit Queen Elizabeth. It's so nice. It's so nice.
So you're actually telling us that we have nothing. We have many things.
No, not really. You guys really have a lot.
Okay, what do you know about us? What do we have?
What do you guys have? Oh, God. Good. Okay, I'm not really so certain. I'm not so certain about what you guys have because I've not really taken a step to get into the details. But I think I will consider that.
Okay. Kale, wow. Tugenda mu challenge. Tugenda mu challenge. Ogenda kumpa. Sorry. Tugenda mu challenge. Ogenda kumpaayo ebigambo byemba njogera mu lulimi lwammwe. Nange ngenda kuwa byoba oyogera mu lulimi lwaffe. Tulabe weewaawo. Ngenda muwa ebigambo bina byagenda okwogera nga bya mu Luganda naye ampe ebigambo bina byagenda okwogera nga bya mu Lukonjo. Tulabe agenda okumalako. Ekigambo ompa kimu n'enkuwa kimu. Ekisooka. Ekisirisimbi.
I don't know that.
You can try it.
I should say it.
Ekisirisimbi, say it.
Ekisirisimbi.
Ekisirisimbi. Tick. Nange, give me one.
Okay. Eritaka.
Eritaka. That's right?
Yes.
Okay. Ekigambo ekyokubiri. Omulumya gulubya. Nchiddamu. Omulumya gulubya.
Omulumi agulubya.
Omulumya gulubya.
Omulumi agulubya.
Those are two.
Okay.
Give me one.
It's really going to be kind of difficult. So it is Baitura Mature Hikaleo.
Yeah? What's it?
Baitura Mature Hikaleo.
Baitura Mature Hikaleo.
You're getting that? Baitura Mature Hikaleo.
Guys, I failed that. It's a win. I'm going to my third question. Hey, you've given me a hard one.
No, please. You don't have to do it for that. You don't have to do that.
Yeah.
You don't have to.
Tit for tat. Okay, Kali.
You know.
Kali. Omukwerebe gwesezo. Omukwerebe gwesezo.
Omukulo gwes. Oh God.
Omukwerebe gwesezo.
Cophi.
Omukwerebe gwesezo.
Omukubi.
Omukwerebe gwesezo.
Banai.
Omukwerebe gwesezo.
Omukwebe.
Hey, tit for tat. Give me the last one.
Okay.
That's the third one, right? Yeah, it is the third.
So we're doing the last one, right? Okay. I'm going to give you this one. Rasanga.
Very easy. So it is a tie, right?
Sure.
It is a tie. You failed one, I failed one.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Anyway, guys, ebadde challenge yaffe mu kanyomero kaffe kaneeno naye nga tuba tutambula mu ngeri yakalannamu mpola ate nendeeta abantu abava mu tribes ez'enjawulo ate ne babaako bye batugamba kubanga nabo balina ate bye balina ate nga naffe tetubiina oba ng'oba oli awo twandyetaaze okubimanya weewaawo kale ogenda kumbulira ekigambo ekinnemye kitegeeza ki?
It means that. Should I repeat like the word again?
Yeah.
It is Baitura Matureri Kalewe. It's as in when you choose to kind of be so bad to your children, you are actually kind of being revengeful towards your children because that is your family. At the end of it all, when you're trying to act maybe groom them in a bad way, it will get back to you.
Wow.
Because the society will start asking, whose children are those? Whose kids are those? Who is the mother? Who is the father?
Amagezi muliro bwegazikira ogakima wa mulirwana munywanyi ndowooza ate mubiwulidde ebiveeyo mu bakonjo kale ndowooza ffenno tulabeka katukiise ekyato abanywanyi ate tunaalabagana olundi tunaaba ate twegwako ebyaffe mubitegeera kale assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi banaffe abasiraamu mukama yeebazibwe nammwe abakatuliki abaprotestanti abalokole weewaawo ndowooza ogenda tusiibula
Wow.
tusiibule.
That's in my language, right?
Yes. In your language.
In my language.
Yeah.
Wasenjari kulekerera. Ni ngalimbambu ngalimwana owaka nemubaseka kandi mwasenjari kulekerera. Musiala buholo twamabara muchako aba mama nabatata inyo hose abaneyo abechehanda nabatebechehanda twamabara muchako.
twabala mu kyako kyentegedde tuwalamusizzaako kale tunalaba kadolundisa abasajja kabaka awangaale